Try to solve it yourself. Let's first find the region bounded by these three inequalities. The first one, y is less than or equal to x plus 2, will be drawn like this. If we put in x equals 0 and y equals 0 in it, it will be 0 will be less than or equal to 2, which is true. That means the region that we find are here. Let's do the same thing for the x plus y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. After that, let's put an x and y equals 0 in it, and as you can see, this is not true. That means the other side of this line is the region that we have to find. And finally, let's do that for the third inequality. We draw it and put in some numbers, and if that's true, that region is true. Therefore, the region that we have to find is this. So, xy meets the region bounded by this triangle. In that situation, we need to find the maximum and minimum value of x minus 2y. Let's put x minus 2y equals k. Then we can change this as y equals x over 2 minus k over 2. As you can see, minus k over 2 will be the y-intercept, and we need to find the maximum and minimum value of the y-intercept. As you can see, if we move this line to up and bottom by changing the value of k, we can say that when it goes through this point, it will be the minimum of y-intercept. And when this line goes through this point, it will be the maximum of the y-intercept. Therefore, if we put in the x and y coordinates of these points inside the x minus 2y equals k, that will be the maximum and minimum of k. Therefore, if we solve the simultaneous equation made by linear equations, we will find out the x and y coordinates, and the upper coordinate will be 2 over 3 and 8 over 3. If we solve it for the bottom one, it will be 3 comma minus 2. Therefore, if we put in these points, it will be the maximum and minimum of k. Thus, the maximum of k will be 7, and the minimum k will be minus 14 over 3.